Hi guys, welcome back to this concept based YouTube channel. Today I will solve exercise 5.1, question number 5, 6 and 7. The first question that we have is, if point C is called midpoint of line segment AB, prove that every line segment has one and only one midpoint. That is the first question. And after that we have, in figure 5.10, if AC is equal to BD, then prove that AB is equal to CD. And in 7 we have, why is AGM 5 in the list of Euclid AGM considered a universal truth? Note that the question is not about the fifth postulate. These are the three questions we need to solve today. Alright? Now let us start with the first questions as for today, which is question number 5. In question number 5 we have, if point C is called midpoint of line segment AB, means there is a line segment and which C is in between them. Okay? Now let me draw it for that so that each and every one of us will be clear about this. Here it will be, let me name it as this one, A. And let me join these 2 points. After joining these 2 points, we will get a line segment, right? And let us extend it even in this side and even in this side. And here it will be point B. And what is the questions? And the questions, it says that point C lies between these 2 points. Now let me assume it this one as point C. This is point C. Here, actually only one midpoint is given to us, which is C, but in order to prove what it is actually meant to us in these questions, we need to take it one midpoint as an assumption. Okay, so for that, let me take it in this side. This one will be AD. Alright, now we will assume it as D is the midpoints of AB and C is the midpoint of AB. Alright, and after that, if midpoints is there, that it will be equal with half of the full length, and half of the full length, by using that, these two will be equal. Alright, now let us start with the main things. Now for that, let us write it from here. It will be solution, and what is the questions? In the questions, it is given to us that C is called midpoint of line segment AB. Okay, let the, what is that? Line segment AB has 2 midpoints. Two midpoints says, what are these? First is D, and what is that? The other is C. Okay, and using this, let us try to get it what it is asked in the questions. Now the thing is here, it will be like this. Let me take it a point A and B, this one, and let me consider it this point D as the midpoints. Even when I consider this D as the midpoint, then easily we can get it, that is AD will be equal to, what would it be? It will be half of AB. Okay, right? Then whenever I consider C as the midpoints of AB, then in that, what should I get? It will be BC equal to, what is that? It will be half of AB. Alright, now let me write all this here. As we already mentioned that the NC are the midpoint. Now when we consider D is the midpoint, then it will be AD. Let me take it this one. AD will be equal to half of AB. This will be equations 1. And after that we have BC. Whenever BC is the midpoint of AB, then BC will be equal to half of AB. Alright. Now using these two equations from equations 1 and 2. Equations 1 and 2. Using equations 1 and 2, what can we expect from this? Since the right hand side is equal, thus AD will be equal to BC. Alright. Then actually this is what the question says, axis in this. This AD is one of the line segment and this one is one of the line segment and they are equal to each other. Okay. And they have only one midpoint. If this is equal, then that means they have equal midpoints. If this doesn't equal, that proves that they don't have equal midpoints, means they have more than one midpoint. But if it is equal, then we can conclude that they have one midpoint. Alright, which exactly asks in these questions. Now let us stop in this. Then after this one, let us move to the next, which is question number 6. In question number 6, we have a figure. If AC is equal to BD, then prove that AB is equal to CD. Okay, so these are the things which we need to prove in this. In order to do this, first of all, let me write it what it is given in the questions. In the questions we are given with AC is equal to BD. And after that, the things which we need to prove, let me write it here. It is AB equal to CD. And after that, we have the diagram itself. Then here will be the proof. And the proof will start it from whatever things that it is given from this. AC equal to BD. Now let me take it this one again. AC. What is AC? This one, right? And in between this, what is that? B. B is there, right? So in order to get AC, how should we do? Let us add AB as well as BC. Whenever you add these two, that is AB and BC, then you will get the full length, which is AC. Okay? Means you can write AC in this form. Let me write it in this. And this will be taken as equations 1. And after that, B and D. Let me take this one. We can take this, right? BD. If you want to take BD or express it in this way, then it will be like this: BC plus CD. BC plus CD. Now let me take this one as 2. Then from equations 1 and 2. From equations 1 and 2, we get, as we can see from here, S is equal to 1, it is BD. Now what is the values of AC that we just express in this? It is AB plus BC, and after that we have BD. BD is equal to BC plus CD, and let us check it. Here we have BC, here we have BC. Whenever this BC move on that side, or if we bring this BC on this side, then the sign will change it, and after that subtracting the same thing from the same thing will give you 0. Thus we can cut this to AB equal to what will it be? It is CD, which we did to prove in this, right? We can conclude that like this, hence proof. Alright. Then after this, we have another problem, which is about the statements. Let me read it. Why is AGM5 in the list of Euclid AGM considered a universal truth? Note that the question is not about the fifth postulate. Actually, in AGM5, it actually says that thing which are the whole things is greater than the part. Actually, this is what AGM5 is meant to us, right? Actually, this is true in every part of the world. let us take this is a part and this one. After adding these two, we'll get, let us suppose that this much, right? But if you compare each of this with this one, then this is small and this is also small, right? So from that we can to see that this is the whole, this is the part. The part is smaller. This one is smaller than this, and this one is smaller than this, right? So this is actually what it is meant in this AGM5. Thus, this statement is true in every part of the world. So we can conclude that this is a universal truth. Alright? So that's it for today. I hope everyone can understand this. Thank you.